First time I ever skied, I was 4 years old, and it was in Vail. And then I grew up in the Chicago suburbs, and the first time I ever skied here, I was 5. I mean, it's been an incredible experience to, totally, revitalize and reinvent the place that was definitely part of my childhood and a part of, a lot of my friends growing up and our families, and to be part of that is incredible. We've had a huge summer of renovation. New lifts, tons of new snowmaking, totally renovated lodge, new table service restaurant, ski school, building, dedicated program space, increased our uphill capacity by 40%. So, smaller lines, getting more people on the hill, keeping people skiing instead of waiting in line. And lots of terrain park features that are brand new that we brought out. Were fabricated in Keystone and Park City. And, it's so exciting. I hope they just have a great time. I hope they have a lot of fun. And, I hope that with the new lodge renovations that it's a more comfortable and just a better experience altogether.